Alright, so this is going to be one of my low edit videos, where I just go over some concepts quickly. So for this video, I want to go over two things. Brushes. So I have recently become infatuated with this brush kit. Let me zoom out a bit. I guess I can't. Oh, okay. No, I can't. Okay. I recently become infatuated with this brush kit right here. So now this brush kit came off of AliExpress. It comes with, all the brushes have caps. It comes with some liner brushes, like that. It also comes with different art brushes of every size. So this one is a smile line brush. Get that in focus. This one's a smile line brush. We have something very similar to the LE block brush. It comes with several brushes of this size, but this is my favorite. This is a medium oval 6. Just get that in focus. It's a medium oval 6. And you notice one thing, no straying hairs. This whole set cost me $15. Comes with all the art brushes you can dream of, especially one of my favorite gradient brushes for making nebulas, for picking up chromes, making stars. It comes with a bunch of brushes. I'll link it down below. But this whole thing comes with the case, comes with the brushes with the caps. Brushes aren't labeled, they're numbered, but it comes with everything that you need. That's $15. So I started using this in place of these. One of these brushes is $15. I started to have quality problems with this, and I didn't really write the company because then they just find a way to blame me. So now I have this brush, for example. This is a glitter brush. This is the second iteration of this brush. You can see immediately there's one hair just straying away. And then you see that there are several more hairs straying away when you look at it from the side. This isn't me not taking care of my brushes. I put brushes, I take the brushes, I put the gel on it, and then I just wipe it off like this. And you see now it's back in shape for the most part. However, Light Elegance glitter gels contain alcohol. No matter what you do, no matter what kind of care you give to a brush, their glitter gels eat their own brushes. They eat all the brushes. So when I found that set for $15, it just kind of gave me the inkling that that set was significantly better. I didn't have any gel running anywhere. It was cost effective. If I have 15 brushes for $15, that's $1 a brush, versus one brush for $15. That's $15 a brush. So I'll be straying away from these. This is a brand new brush. It looks nice now, but give it a little bit and I'm clipping off bristles. Now, the next part. Let me go get my kit back. Okay. So, let's take out this liner brush. In fact, let's take out all three of the liner brushes. Okay. So I have been looking at several videos on Instagram, nighttime Instagram scrolling, and I noticed that there was this product called the Kokoist Non-Wipe Accessory Bond. And looking at it, it came in, it was mostly for fixing parts and pieces, but it came in a 4-gram jar, not dissimilar to this, but in the regular square Kokoist style. And they also had the non-accessory non-accessory bond in white and black. So something came up, and for some reason I'd accidentally chromed one of these and it stuck kind of like a no wipe. So I realized, wait, I could save $15 because I already have these. These are $12.95 if you were to buy them from the Light Elegance website. I'm sure you could find a deal somewhere, but these are $12.95 a piece. They're HEMA-free. Kokoist has their No-Wipe Accessory Bond in black for $15 a piece. And Kokoist has 2% HEMA. Now, I'm not allergic. I just don't want to be allergic. But I realized if I already have this, and I'm sure a lot of you who are watching my videos use a lot of Light Elegance products, if I already have this, why spend more money on products I already have? So what I did here was I set up a nail. So this nail is actually going to need to be matte coated. When you chrome over a matte coat, or when you finish putting down a color, buff it, and then so the chrome doesn't stick. So I'm gonna coat this. This is Utter Perfection, a discontinued color, unfortunately. but this is utter perfection. So I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna matte this, and I'm gonna be right back. And we're back. So now this has been matted out. So the first one I'm gonna take is I'm gonna take primary black. I'm not gonna palette out or anything like that, but I'm gonna take primary black. I'm just going to put away the other two liner brushes, but I'm just gonna make a random, not too thick line. Now I don't have a Light Elegance lamp, and I'm probably never gonna have a Light Elegance lamp. At the time, I had a Creation 395 405 lamp, but I started to have some issues with fusion gels, so I bought an iGel Beauty 365 405 lamp, and I like it. I love it. It's wireless, 8,000 milliamp battery, which is more than my cell phone, and it works as designed. So now this is black, and let's put a second one. So 405 nanometers means that you can cure through darker colors better, because a higher wavelength means more penetration. 365 has less penetration than 405 because 365 is a lower number than 405. Simple physics. Obviously, don't paint it too thick, but you see, it's very 3D. So we're gonna go cure this. So I'm gonna pause. My lamp has a feature to cure for 90 seconds at full cure length. It doesn't have a low heat setting. All right, so now I'm gonna take this chrome, and we're just gonna go right over it. See, your chrome's shiny. This is a purple chrome. This is probably a bad example, but we're gonna go right over it, and it chrome's shiny, just like a no-wipe. All right, because we have a matte top coat, we can get rid of the excess by just simply flipping this over. I want to note the matte top coat I use is not from Ellie. The matte top coat Ellie has is a wipe top coat. I made the mistake of selling my flat matte and then buying the P Plus flat matte, thinking that the P Plus flat matte was a no wipe. Clearly I'm wrong. Fusion. This is Fusion's HEMA-free matte top coat. This is not the greatest matte top coat. I'm gonna say that because you often find yourself having to use 2 layers or cure for longer periods of time with it. But it's a no wipe matte top coat. If you put 2 layers of this on, you get a full matte. If you put a layer of it on and then buff it with a 240 grit buffer, you get a flat matte. All right, so now these are chromed and they're looking nice and shiny. Let's use a white next. All right, let me pause and clean up here. Okay, so now we have primary white. Let's just take out some straight from the jar. And let's bring it in right here. All right. And now I'm going to do, see, it's also 3D, another 90-second cure. And we'll, okay, and we're back. So now let's chrome up the white. And just like the black, it goes on like a no-wipe. And we'll use the other side. We'll just finish up using the chrome. And we'll use the other side to wipe away with the excess. All right, now let's toss that up. Take a look. Shiny. Just like a no-wipe. And I did a 90-second cure. There was no guesswork in the cure. It was just full 90 seconds. All right. So let's put that last one away. Now, this one is an experiment for me. So black and white, obviously, is black and white, okay? I wanted to try One, the green pastel paint, or, you know, there's the set of primaries, which these come out of. There's a set of pastels, and there's a set of neons. So I said, do the pastel paints act the same way? Because if the pastel paints act the same way, well, you know what, I should grab a neon too. But if the pastel paint acts the same way, does that mean that I could use all 12 of these? Sorry, 6 times, all 18 of these as no-wipe accessory bond type paints that I can chrome? So, you know what? Let me open pastel green, but let me also grab neon green. Okay, so what I did instead was I actually grabbed all 3. Because why not test? So instead of drawing 2 lines for each, we'll just do 1. So here's pastel. I'm not going to mix it up. I'll make this quick. Okay. All of them look very 3D. And I like the way they look, so let's put that for 90 seconds. Alright, so I just used those 90 seconds to clean up. But now it's cured. So, this is actually one I spilled. But it's green, so that's why we used green for all those. So, let's start. And it works on neon green. Alright, so it's neon green. Let's zoom in. Okay. It's neon green chromed. Works on primary green. Okay, that's primary green chromed. Usually I do this over a dust collector. Alright, and pastel green. That is pastel green chromed. And look, no interference between the already pre-chromed ones. So I guess all of the Light Elegance gel paints do double as no-wipe accessory bonds. Now, I know it says no-wipe accessory bonds. That doesn't mean anything. You still have to talk with this, so you can't just wear this out. It's going to rub right off. See? You see the white reappeared? If I just keep doing that, it's going to rub right off. So you do have to top coat this, obviously. Which one's top coat? Just use this one. Okay, I don't feel like separating. Ooh, I don't feel like separating all that out. So, you see that? Obviously, you're going to top coat it. I don't care about the bubbles. This is just a demo. I'm going to pop this off. But you have now 18 options for a no-wipe accessory bond from Light Elegance instead of Kokoist. Sorry, Kokoist. But if you already have the colors like I do, you just saved yourself some money. And if you don't have the gel paints, I mean, you could go get the gel paints as opposed to paying $15 a piece for the black and white accessory bonds. Let's put this away. I'll show you the final result when it comes out of the lamp, although you've already seen it. This one needs 30 seconds, but here is the end result. You have chromed, shiny chromed, but the black one looks the best. The black one and the primary green ones look the best. The neon green one is a close contender, but yeah, you have options. Let's just pop this off. Oh, I broke it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.